Hello and welcome to day number 8 of our Travel Trader series. As we talked about yesterday, we put a protective short position in the market just in case something would happen, and politically, as we have these tensions between the US and Iran at the moment, just to have a short position in the market to protect other assets that we are invested in and to profit when the markets would go down and things escalate. We talked about that before, and this is pretty much exactly what happened tonight. So during the missile attack of Iran to 2 US bases in Iraq, that protective thing got triggered, and the stock market went further down, and I think at 3 a.m. in the morning we had a huge profit. However, I obviously was sleeping then, so I didn't see it. And during the day, as there was no further escalation so far, the stock market went up. And that's exactly why I want to talk a little bit about trading and trading psychology with you. Because what you realize is that however good your system is, however good your analysis is, you will never be able to have 100% of winning trades. There will always be things happening in the world where you have a trade that you thoroughly researched and where you will lose some money. That's just part of the game that we call stock trading, or making money in the stock market. So we will never have a 100% hit ratio, probably not even a 90 or 80% hit ratio for us. It's most important that we stick to a system and that we don't go all crazy about, oh my god, I'm in the positive, and we already start spending money just to realize, oh no, we're now in a negative, we gotta get all our money back, and then to realize we're in the positive again. So for us, these market movements up or down are pretty much, I wouldn't say insignificant, but they are playing a minor role, because what we know is that if you do 100 trades, we typically will win more trades than we lose, and when we win, we usually win a multiple, because we have a great risk-reward ratio, than what we lose. Plus, if you should lose something, we also have some repair strategies. So for today, the trade in the US market, when it went down and then came up again, we're currently in the minus. If that would be consistent, so if you would climb higher up because nothing happens anymore, we got triggered, I will use one of these repair strategies to first kind of see where the markets are going and to freeze my temporary losses, and then I will trade it in the direction accordingly where the markets go, and I will earn my money back. So I'm not at all freaking out about a losing trade, and neither should you, because we know that when we follow a strategy that we thoroughly researched and that we know how our chances are, but after a series of trade, we will always be in the positive, and that's a great feeling. That's the reason why we don't need to freak out, get all crazy, or be sad or whatsoever about a trade when it goes against us. The other trades that I was doing, I was talking about it yesterday, Australian dollar and versus New Zealand dollar, so kangaroo versus kiwis. We have a short position in it, so the Australian dollar fell a little bit further. Yesterday we were at plus 150 New Zealand dollars, today we are at plus 350 New Zealand dollars. We had another trade that was soybeans. We had a long position in soybeans. Yesterday we bought it, and as the stock market is sometimes, it went down to roughly minus 400. Today we went up, we're now at minus 95 as I was checking before. And we had another trade. I told you that I'm watching the US basket, so the US dollar versus a basket of currencies, and then I will have a long position when our signals got triggered. That happened this morning, so I went long in the US basket. However, I don't like risks, so that's one of the reasons why I'm trading. I'll talk about that and why trading from my perspective, or for me, doesn't seem to be risky at all. However, as I don't like risk, I moved my protective stop loss order in when we were in the positive quite early today. due to the reason that we have these tensions going on, and I got stopped out during the day when the market went back, made 85 euros. Not too much, but I mean 85 euros for free is okay. However, our signal was right. After we went back during the day, we went higher up again, so we could have made more money if I wouldn't have been too afraid, so to speak. So these are the new trades for today. We have our list that I was talking about in our very first videos, and you can find it if you scroll through the diary here in the Travel Trader series, and you will see the things that I'm watching. As soon as we get another signal, we will go into it. When we see further escalation and the market will drop, we are very happy that we have a short position already. If that wouldn't happen, which would be a great thing because no one really likes war and we don't want these things to happen, so that would be great. We would just use a repair strategy, make our money back, everything is fine. And the big lesson of today is whatever happens in the market, if you have a system, if you have a strategy and you know it's working because you can trust it, you did a thorough research on it, then you don't have any reason to freak out. I want to thank you very much for watching me today. I'm getting ready now for a new series with all of my mastermind students. We have a monthly webinar now where we deep dive into a specific topic. I prepared it already, so I'll get ready to go online with all of my mastermind students and discuss a new topic this month, and we do that as a monthly series now, so we get more and more deeper into different training topics long after the class is done. So we want continuous education, we want to get better, and we want to make more money in the stock market, and that's exactly what you're doing here. So thank you very much for watching. You'll start in your stock market education, and I'm looking forward to see you again tomorrow. Thank you.